want to do you know. NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Yo, everybody go let them afraid of Andrew Holness and the police. Me not afraid of Andrew Holness. Me a bad man. Police, me a bad man. You don't know if you find me. 350 Julius Road, Arnett Garden, Kingston 12. Me nah run. Police go suck your mother. Any police boy come for me, a bullet. Andrew Holness, you did ask me for lockdown Jamaica. You want lockdown Jamaica, you can't tell me to come off of the road. Pussy Andrew Holness, go suck your mother Andrew Holness. Me a bad man, come look for me now. Me nah run, see me ya? Tattoo everything I show Andrew Holness. You can't come tell bad man for come off a street. You come look for me and say for Jamaica depend fully lockdown if you come. Cause bullet me I go now. Any police boy who feel like they want to come touch me door, make sure say no come bulletproof from head to toe or on the ear bulletproof cause me I go to bullet 350 Julius Road me there. Me not afraid of nobody. Everybody talk about lockdown and when I come for people, come for me. Me a bad man. Andrew Holness go suck. Hey boy Andrew Holness, me a PMP. Me no respect no labor. Andrew Holness go suck your mother. Police go suck on the mother. Every police in Jamaica, me not care. Me a bad man. Come look for me now. Me done talk, I yes on me there. 350 Julius Road, me not moving. You don't know what I mean? You don't know me? Me a bad man. Oh, come now.
We're rich and we have to hide. Fully done. Fuck government. Big up Jamal. Jamal free. Fuck government. Fully done. What we at that? We're rich and we have to hide that. Fully done. Suck your mother and chew on us every government. A ton of yard conference by we got. We have money around there. Tonight. We school name ton of yard conference by.
John, my people, big up on the Salmon, don't know what's a NEWLINK there, no? From NEWLINK production, you understand my people. So now, we see where it is, man, take this thing as a habit now, during this COVID-19 crisis in Jamaica. If you send them a message, the first one, I'm talking about the first one now, people, with this brother, I don't know if you might do this as a ads or what, or we might try to promote or what, but in the end, people, and why I say Jamaica Most Wanted, he is to be Jamaica Most Wanted now, because I'm going to tell about him big gun, them are way from and this and that, and it's still message we must send out and disrespect the Prime Minister of Jamaica and this police, we go suck this and go do that and go do this, you know what I mean? So right now, I know the police, they must look for him, you understand? Even if some comedy skit or where I do, not they so not add up. You get what I say and I tell them when they are in bad man, this and in bad man, that and having gun, them have this and Jamaica go stir up. Look for you too. Eh? What you can prove to the police or to the Jamaican people, and boy, you are bad man and you are this and that. Eh? Make no police come for you and get 2 kick or 1 soldier for the going to jump on your face and start ball and run like a little baby. Come on, man. Eh? In a them time, and when I come in the comedy skit on the bullshit, and I come be disrespectful to the PM and come disrespect the police, then when they see police and have to do the hard work, can't even get no night sleep among them with their wife or who have their husband or something, or now come disrespect. Eh? And next one now, people, is the bag of idiot them now, we come like when fall in a Cuba and no get no feeding. Eh? You know, see them look, like when I just put some little chicken in a some Cuba and they no get no feeding and they're hungry and then they roll out when up and done. Eh? Big old waste man and fool them during this time. But with them disrespect, eh? As they were them say, one fool make many. But you know what I mean? One fool I go teach you a lesson. Remember, I'm not going to be a fool again. One fool I go teach you a lesson, I'm not going to be a fool again. Because I go with no right for the, with no foolishness on the disrespect what I do and I put you on social media out there. Eh? Stupid and make a fool on yourself. Look into this now. Someone maybe a couple years down the road now, when they want to make a trip go over, so and them same little thing I set in the back when they want to jump in that field, and then same little something I want to do set it back when I think about the future, you know, and it damage uno and damage even the youth them and damage even other people too. Eh? Wise up using the head as Jamaican and stop be a fool. Stop make the yo, only just Caesar knows that, man. Some of you as subscribers, man, I don't know the thing, but people with they are giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. I understand. And during this time, people, it's really serious and now. And you know what I mean? All of the youth them with them joke thing and them fun thing, man. A time for to stop it. Because them thing are not a fun thing, them thing are not a joke thing, a serious times in right now. You know what I mean? During this crisis and now. So the bugger comedy skit them and the foolishness and the joke thing about a bad man or a wanted man and this and that. We need to stop it. You get what I say? So don't know anything of viewers and subscribers, man. Enough love, enough respect, and appreciate the love, appreciate the support. You understand? And on a daily basis, people have to protect yourself, protect your family, them. You get what I say? Drink up on the vitamin C As what them say, when a quarantine, stay inside. You know, when NEWLINK say, when nobody go close to people out there, so and go drive up in a taxi and everything like that, stay inside. Who of them own a car, when you drive, when you own a car, sanitize up on yourself and stay safe and protect on your loved ones. So don't know a thing of people. Enough love and enough respect. If you don't subscribe, please do subscribe. No. Yes, subscribe. And remember to hit that notification bell icon and stop it on all notifications. So every video a NEWLINK drop, you know I go get them. You don't know the thing of people. NEWLINK is back in full force. So check out. Don't forget. Don't. Never.
What them a go do ya know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.